Greetings to all. What is geometry of the molecule, or what is the shape of the molecule? The different atoms in a molecule have definite geometric arrangement in space around the central atom. This definite relative arrangement of the bonded atom in a molecule is known as shape or geometry of the molecules, as covalent bond, ionic bond, and Lewis dot structure. They are failed to explain the geometry or shape of the molecules. Therefore, in this video, we will discuss a new theory, that is VSEPR theory, which successfully explains the shape or geometry of the different molecules and how they are arranged in the space around the central atom. This theory is known as VSEPR theory. The full form of this theory is valence shell electron pair repulsion theory, as the valence electrons which are present in the atom, they all have negative charge. Therefore, they have repulsive force between them. Therefore, this theory is known as repulsion theory. So first of all, what are the main points of VSEPR theory? The first point is the shape of the molecule is determined by the repulsion between all the electrons that are present in valence shell. The kernel electrons don't participate in the shape of the molecules. Next point is electron pairs in the valence shell of the central atom repel each other and arrange themselves to minimize the repulsion. Next is the lone pair's electrons takes up more space around the central atom than a bonded pair. The lone pair attracts to one of the nucleus, but bonded pair is not shared by the two nucleus. The minimum repulsion to the state, minimum energy and maximum stability of the molecule. It means the repulsion between the lone pair and lone pair of the electrons is different than the repulsion between two bonded pair or one bonded pair and one lone pair. In this theory, the multiple bonded are treated as the single unit like a single electron pair, and all the surrounded atom around the central atom, they arrange themselves in such a way that there is minimum repulsion between them. That explains the shape of the molecule. Hence, the repulsion between two lone pair is greater than lone pair bond pair, which is further greater than bond pair. Now, what are the main steps to determine the shape of a molecule? First of all, we determine the central atom. It is one which is in minimum number. For example, in sulfuric acid, the number of sulfur is 1, so it is central atom. After this, we have to draw electron dot structure to find the total number of valence electrons. After drawing the electron dot structure, we have to find the bond pairs and the lone pairs present in the molecule so that we can find the geometry of the molecule, because the geometry of the molecule depends on the lone pair as well as bond pair. Let us take some examples of molecules which are having only bonded pairs of electrons or symmetrical shape. And the example is beryllium hydride. Here beryllium is central atom and two hydrogen atoms are surrounding atoms. Beryllium hydride has two bonded pair of electrons. There is no lone pair of electrons, so it has definite geometry or symmetrical shape, that is linear. All the triatomic molecule in which no lone pair is present, they have linear shape and the bond angle in the molecule is 180 degree. Next example is boron trifluoride. In this molecule, boron is central atom and it has 3 valence electrons, and all the valence electrons are involving in the formation of bond with fluorine atom, and there is 3 bonded pair of electrons. In this molecule, no lone pair is present, so the shape of the molecule is trigonal and the bond angle is 120 degree. Next example is methane molecule. The molecular formula of methane is CH4. Here carbon is central atom and 4 hydrogen atoms are surrounding atoms. In this molecule, carbon has 4 valence electrons and these 4 electrons are involving in the formation of bonds with 4 hydrogen atoms. In this molecule, there is also no lone pairs of electrons. So, this molecule have symmetrical shape, and this shape of the molecule is tetrahedral. All the 4 hydrogen atoms are at the same distance from each other, and the bond angle between these hydrogen atoms is 109 degree and 5 minutes. The last example is phosphorus pentachloride. In this molecule, phosphorus is central atom and 5 chlorine atoms are surrounding atoms. In this molecule, there are 2 types of chlorine atom. Here, 5 electrons are present in the valence shell of phosphorus, and all the 5 electrons are involving in the formation of bonds with 5 chlorine, and the shape of the molecule is trigonal bipyramidal. Bipyramidal means there are 2 pyramids, one above the plane and one below the plane of trigonal shape. Out of 5 chlorine, there are 3 chlorine atoms which are at the equatorial position or which are at the trigonal position. They are known as equatorial bond, and the bond angle between equatorial position is 120 degree. whereas the remaining two bonds, one lies above the plane and one below the plane of the equatorial position. They both are making 90-degree angle with the plane, and these bonds are known as axial bonds. The shape of the molecule is trigonal bipyramidal.